What's up, beautiful people?
Hey,
we just had the most exquisite lunch of tacos.
So good.
You know, you're from Texas, like you love a good taco. It's kind of hard to find sometimes when you're not in Texas. So we found it, and not only that, some of the best queso I think I've ever had in my life.
Yeah, really good queso. We ended up actually ordering a second batch of queso because it was so good. We were passing it around the table.
Yeah, so we're just having fun today. We're gonna go see a movie. So super big thanks to Groupon for sponsoring this video. Guys, Groupon has literally hundreds of thousands, I'm not exaggerating this, experiences, opportunities, getaways, like self-care, spa day, like all kinds of stuff. Like we've actually been using Groupon since like the beginning of our marriage. Like
a long time.
When we could not ever afford vacations otherwise, like we would go on Groupon, do their getaways, get a hotel, get a stay, get a whatever. We went to Europe on it. It was crazy. So like,
and lots of date nights and that kind of
lots of date nights. And so, you know, when the kids started asking, they were like, Dad, I want to see Free Guy. They've been asking for like a couple weeks, can we go see Free Guy? Can we go see Free Guy? And I'm like, man, like it costs like more than the gross domestic product of some small countries to go see a movie when you have 9 people. So I was like, I think I'm gonna go onto Groupon and just see, you know, just see. Maybe they've got something. And sure enough, they had reduced price tickets for the AMC. And so boom, 9 tickets. Didn't cost me an arm and a leg or a spleen or another vital organ for us to be able to go see this movie today. And I'm really excited because I've heard it's hilarious.
Yeah, and the kids are really excited too. Steven's excited to save money.
I'm excited.
The kids are super excited to see a movie. And I'm excited that we just have some more quality family time, especially the kids back in school. We're looking for ways to really have meaningful time together. And this
packing it in on the weekend.
Yeah, they're so excited for this. You guys ready to go see a movie?
Oh yeah! Heck yeah!
It's gonna be so much fun.
Too. So let's go.
Yeah, Mickey.
He's like, I'm excited.
Let's do it.
What's up, guys? What'd you think?
It was so funny.
Yeah?
That was a funny movie.
It was
Lincoln
really
actually liked it. You sat down the whole time.
Lincoln loved it, man.
Have a good day. Have a great day.
Have a great day. I love it. What'd you think, kiddo?
I loved it.
Yeah.
My humor.
Yeah, mine too. Guys, sometimes a family movie is exactly what you need just to get away, unplug, have some fun, save some money doing it on Groupon. That's the beauty of Groupon, is that maybe movies aren't your thing. Maybe you want to throw axes or go have a spa day or do a getaway or something like that. Groupon partners with local business owners to get you amazing deals on amazing experiences. So before you plan your next thing, go to Groupon, check out the link in our description box below. You're gonna have some fun.
Starting to rain again. So much rain lately.
I love it.
You love all the rain.
Grand soft evening.
We should go like put on our PJs and snuggle in bed.
I like that
The
idea.
kiddos.
I'm gonna smoke some chicken
That sounds
while we
good.
do it.
Sounds delightful. Somebody looking at you like, what's going on? The boys just got their PJs on and we actually have school tomorrow, and so we are all getting ready for bed. The big kids are upstairs getting showers, and all of us are ready. I think we're pretty tired. It's been a long
I know I am.
weekend. As soon as I said that, Ethan starts yawning. Wow, that's a very big yawn. Linky too. Lincoln fell asleep in the car a little bit. Did you have a nap time in the car?
He did so well in the movie.
He really did. I was so proud of him.
He was just like laying there because the reclining seats are like amazing.
Yeah, they were super comfy.
Yeah.
You liked it, Ethan?
Way more comfy than car belt seat belts.
Oh,
Car
car seatbelts. I was like, car
That's
belt?
for sure.
What? I don't know.
Yeah, you don't have to buckle in
Yeah.
there. You can just kind of lay down like you're
Can you imagine
in
if
bed,
you
huh?
went to the theater and they made you put on a seatbelt to watch a movie?
Yeah,
That'd be
that
kinda
would be
silly.
so uncomfortable. Mom, Mom.
Yeah, baby.
Mom.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
did. Hey, somebody. There
High
you
five.
go.
Yeah, fist bump. Yeah.
Yeah, that's so good.
Okay, high five.
Good job. Foot one? You do your footsie? Feet?
Foot bump. Foot five.
So it's a Sunday night, and so we have school tomorrow, and all the big kids are upstairs getting some showers, and the littles are snuggled up in bed with us, ready for bedtime.
Winding it down, you
We're
know.
all really tired. It's been like a pretty long weekend. We've had lots of fun with Jude's birthday, and just doing some fun stuff today,
That's a big
but he's been yawning a bunch, so
I do big yawns.
big yawns.
The thing is, like with school, they're getting used to getting up so early that even on the weekends when they don't have to, they're still getting up so early.
Yeah. And us too.
And we are
We were
too,
trying
yeah.
to sleep in a little bit this morning, and I kept waking up like every 15 minutes thinking
Yeah.
I'm supposed to get up, and I'm like, why can't I sleep
Yeah.
in like
well,
I want
and the
to?
sun comes up so early here, like it's 5:30 and it's bright outside, which is great.
Yeah.
During the school week, whenever you have to get up early.
Yeah.
But when you want to sleep in,
I mean, we're not getting up at 5:30, guys, but that is when the sun comes up. So
Yeah.
it's bright when we are waking up.
I'm
so.
waking up at 6.
Yeah.
It's like totally bright outside and it's great.
Love you. But yeah, so I wanted to give an update real quickly because we haven't really talked about how school's been going since the kids started, like that first day. And they've all been enjoying it so much. They're all making
Yeah.
really good friends and loving their teachers and just the whole experience. And so that's been really good. Ethan, have you been liking school?
Yes.
You've been doing such a good job. We've been so proud of you. And he's not falling asleep in the car on the way home anymore, which
He's getting
is
plenty of
great.
sleep at night.
Yeah, so it's good that we've all kind of adjusted to the schedule and all of that. And it is really good to see the kids making new friends. So Penelope has now met 3 different friends who speak
Yeah.
Mandarin, which is really cool.
So cool, man.
Yeah, it's really awesome. The schools are actually very diverse, which I
Yeah.
feel like is a huge, advantage because
Yeah.
we have a very diverse family,
Yeah.
and I think it is, representation isn't like the most important thing, but it is
Yeah.
important. And
But it is so beautiful.
so-
Like every time school gets let out and like the doors open and all the kids just start like running out, it's like a kaleidoscope
Yeah.
of like culture, and it's just so beautiful and awesome.
It really is. We heard a lot of comments moving to Tennessee. A lot of people that were questioning and like worried about the diversity in Tennessee, and I think that's a misconception because
Yes.
it is so much more diverse in
much
this
so.
area than anywhere in Texas that we lived, which it's really kind of surprising, but also just amazing. And so it's been really cool to see all the kids just really connecting, and for Penelope to find people that speak her native language. Some of the girls were like texting with her today. They want to go see a movie together this week, and
I'm gonna take them to see
So-
Shang-Chi this weekend. It's gonna be
yeah,
awesome, so.
yeah. So it's really cool just to kind of see that. And Jude had a whole bunch of friends, come and hang out with him for his birthday party. And
They're
so,
blessed. That was fun.
yeah. So it's just been really cool. I think everybody's really been enjoying school. So I'm
Yeah.
very thankful for that, and just adjusting and doing well. There's been so much
thank you,
adjustment these
buddy.
past, couple of months, and so. It's been quite the ride, but we're doing really well. Lincoln's doing really
He's
well with
laying
school.
down falling asleep right now.
Oh, that baby's so tired. Are you so sleepy? Say, I am sleepy. Oh, be
That's
gentle.
not nice.
Be gentle, Lincoln.
Hey.
Somebody's being a little squirrely. That's so funny, though. So we're actually still in a bit of a transition period with Lincoln on school
Yeah.
because he is right now at the school that Ethan goes to,
Yeah.
and he is in the special education program. They have an IEP written up for him. But the other school that we had been talking about that is specifically for special needs kids, we're still working on that. I think it's going to actually be kind of like split time between the two schools.
Yeah, we're talking about doing maybe every other day or something like that.
Yeah,
so.
and they have therapists on hand as well. And so he's going to be getting a lot of therapy in both schools.
Yes.
But we're just kind of taking this a day at a time and trying to figure out, because we've never done this before. You know, he's always been in preschool and doing private therapies and that kind of thing, and so he's still going to be getting that with the second school, but we have to go through the public school system. That's the way that things go here, and so we're just kind of navigating all of that. But so far he's been doing really well, and so yeah, it's been really good. It's just an adjustment for everyone all around, but we're loving it. We're just all very tired in the evenings and going to bed a little earlier, and so yeah, it's been really nice though. We're loving it. So you got a really young.
Yawn.
You're just yawning like crazy, huh? That's so funny.
Linky was just jacking your water. I think it went down the wrong pipe for a second.
Oh, crazy boy baby. Doing some stretches there?
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's always good to do stretches for
Gotta
before
stay
bedtime,
loose.
huh?
We're sleeping.
That's good.
You
Linky,
gotta pull
you want to do
anything.
some stretches over there too?
You wanna stretch?
He's like, I want to lay down.
Oh.
Oh, that's so
Yeah,
sweet.
he does that a lot.
He does. He likes to snuggle with you.
He's
You guys are
just
snuggly boy babies, huh?
Ethan's like, I'm not a boy baby. I'm gonna be 8 years
You are a
old
big
next
boy,
month."
aren't you?
Yeah.
You have a birthday in a little over a month, huh?
Yeah.
I guess closer to 2 months.
Month and a half.
Month and a half.
Almost 2 months.
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's nice. You give him night kisses
Hey,
to all the friends.
The vlog's not done until Linky kisses the camera.
Yeah, that's right. So I think we are going to go ahead and close it out here
Yeah.
and just snuggle up a little bit more before we get ready for bed and ready for school tomorrow. But we love you guys. Thanks for hanging with us today for a little bit of fun, a little bit of weekend fun, and we will see you guys next time. You guys want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Linky.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me